All right, so we are going to make turmeric ice cream. It's gonna be divine, but I'm gonna use a coconut milk. So you can buy coconut milk, but oftentimes if you look at the ingredients list at coconut milk, it has a bunch of other ingredients besides just coconut. So what I'm gonna do is use this amazing machine called Almond Cow. I discovered this, I love it. And it's just basically a way for you to make your own nut milk at home, or seed milk. So I absolutely love it because it keeps things pure and it tastes so much better. So you can make your own almond milk or coconut milk, whatever you want. So I already added some filtered alkaline water, and then I'm gonna put a cup in here. And again, I like to use organic, unsweetened coconut flakes because you wanna be able to add the sugar if you want to add it in the way you want to add it. So instead of using cane sugar, I think I'm going to use probably maple syrup. It's gonna taste delicious. So you just push this button, it turns blue right here, you can see. And then all you do is we added water, we added our coconut, you see how easy that was? Turn it on. All right, so it took about 1 minute and that's how fast it is. So look, you can see all of the deliciousness in here. So it keeps all of that milk, that fat from the coconuts. And you really wanna extract all this as much as possible. So it's kind of messy, but you really wanna keep as much of that as you can. So I like to open that right over and then squish this out, just so we're capturing all of that coconut milk. Okay, and then check this out. You have all of this coconut base left. So you can use this in different recipes. So I'm actually gonna add this to one of my chicken marinades and make it even more yummy and delicious. So you can check that out in a video here. And there you go. Once you have that all done, I'm just gonna rinse my hands off. At this point, you can add different sweeteners in there. You can add dates, you can add maple syrup. I actually just like to keep it pure, and my husband will use this in his coffee in the morning. And then we're gonna use it in a recipe later to make coconut gelato, turmeric coconut gelato. And those solids, all you have to do is mix it up and it mixes all together. And it is just the perfect way to have your coconut milk. And this will keep in the refrigerator for a couple days. Because it doesn't have all those other preservatives in it, it will expire more quickly. So it's not going to last as long as what you get at the grocery store because it doesn't have a lot of weird chemicals in it. So it's fresh, but you do want to consume this within 2-3 days. And it took all of 5 minutes to make that. I will include a link in my description for where you can get this. It's an amazing product. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share this video if it was a blessing to you. Here's another video for you to watch. Have a blessed day.